Hello, my name is Jess Parry and I've just graduated with my BA Hons in Fine Art, Studio Sight and Context from Swansea College of Art, University of Wales, Trinity St David. The way I could describe my practice is that it is pretty spontaneous and that it engages and excites me, as I know it is rare that I get bored. Each day I do not know where my work will take me next. It mutates and grows, and you could say that is a reflection of the times. I would consider myself as a flesh artist. I'm just fascinated by its grotesque and visceral carnality. My process consists of sculpture, performance, photography, drawing and painting. I am primarily a painter, however my piece of what is to be showcased as part of the Jane Phillips Graduate Award is part of my sculptural process. The piece selected, its skeleton is made from a Kleenex tissue box. Why that, you may ask? I literally put the tissue box on my feet and started sliding on the carpet in my current bedroom studio. I was like, yeah, I can make a pair of shoes out of these. Hence the birth of these shoes, of what then led on to inform future work that began the further process of performance and painting. The shoes can be physically worn and are made from numerous materials, including linen, old dissected canvas paintings, cotton wool, cotton buds, even hair from my floor. All materials have some sort of significance of the direct and raw taboo associated with the human figure, flesh and anatomy. For example, the cotton wool reminds me of fat in its spillage from the inside flesh to the outside world, whilst the cotton buds reminded me of the ligaments in the human foot, due to obviously their shape and their malleability. Teeth too have been sculpted and added, because teeth do not belong on one's feet, and they just look gross and just don't belong there, and as that visual discomfort within what is one is seeing is what I want to provoke in my work. Literally anything and everything to hand as a material has fueled me to adapt this new way of working as a result of these times. This piece is actually one of the first pieces I have made post-uni, so it's great to see that it has been selected for the showcase.